afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. This is Christian once again, and welcome to the Awkward Vlog. And this is our fifth episode, brother. Hi everyone, good morning, this is Christian and welcome to episode 5 of my vlog. And I'm currently here at the back of the car and we're going to my uncle's farm. So yeah, I am very much excited about it. So have a great day. Hi everyone, good morning and welcome to the Awkward Vlog again. This is our first day here at the farm. So you can see that's my Aunt Linda, doing her farming thing. Yeah, it's really nice to be in the farm.